go. I don't want to get the corner or anything like that. Yeah, if we get that corner, that's why. Don't brake for everybody. No, don't brake for everybody. What the f? You don't give way on a f***ing road and calls. Come on. What are you doing? What? Come on. What are you doing? You can indicate then.